In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Outlook meeting without sending notification. We'll use Outlook on the web and fine-tune your calendar notification settings so you can make quiet edits when possible, while understanding where Outlook still enforces attendee updates. Start by heading to outlook.live.com and switch to calendar if you're not already there. This puts you in the right context for meeting-related settings. If you're prompted to sign in, do that first, then return to your calendar view so we can adjust the options that influence how updates are handled. Next, open Settings and choose the full settings view, then select General. This is where Outlook keeps global preferences that affect your account across the calendar experience. It's a good idea to make these changes from the web because the layout clearly groups notification controls, making it easier to see what's turned on and what's off. From General, go to Notifications. Here, look for the Calendar section. This panel controls the kinds of alerts you receive about events, including when things are created, changed, or canceled. Turn on the calendar option if it's disabled so you can see and use the detailed controls beneath it. These options let you minimize noise while you edit, especially for changes that don't alter the time, date, or attendee list. Keep in mind, Outlook doesn't provide a universal never notify attendees switch. If you change something that materially impacts other people, like the meeting time, location, or the list of participants, Outlook may still require sending an update. However, when you're making low-impact edits such as refining the description, updating the agenda, or adjusting categories and color coding, these settings help keep things quieter on your end and reduce unnecessary clutter. After you've set the calendar notifications the way you want, click Save. Saving is essential. If you close the pane without saving, Outlook will discard your changes and you won't get the quieter workflow you're aiming for. A couple of practical tips as you work. If Outlook presents a prompt asking whether to send updates, read it carefully. For non-critical edits that don't affect others, choose the option that avoids sending an update when available. If you're unsure whether a change will notify attendees, test with a placeholder event on your own calendar first. And remember, for significant changes, sending an update is often the best way to avoid confusion. That's it. You've adjusted Outlook's calendar notification settings so you can make the right edits with fewer pings and cleaner inboxes.